Hey there, welcome to another episode of Hanging Out with me in my kitchen space. In today's episode, let's make a dessert that you can carry to work, to school, to that picnic, or anywhere else that you would prefer. You can also have this at home, and we're making a carrot cake with some whipped cream, and I'll be sharing with you on how you can make some whipped cream. For this carrot cake, I lost the footage, so I'm improvising on my other episodes, and I'm going to leave the full detailed recipe tutorial on a carrot cake at the end of this particular video. You can also check the link in the description box for the exact measurements. So we are going to be making this carrot cake, and yeah, that's pretty much it. I hope you enjoy. I also hope you learn something new, and I also hope you get to try out this recipe because it's such a bomb recipe. And stick to the end and you'll see how I'm going to pack it and enjoy it. And I also hope this gives you an inspiration to try this recipe. And yeah, I'll see you in my next one. Then now let's make some whipped cream, and I have my cold milk, and I'm going to add some vanilla. And also I have a very detailed recipe on how to make some whipped cream using only 2 ingredients. Then I'm going to whip this till it forms thick peaks. And this is perfect. For packing, you'll need a container, and I'm going to be using this glass jar, and this is a recycled glass jar from the mayonnaise. And I've also done a video on how you can recycle your bottles and remove the stickers without anything being left behind. You can check that out. Then I'm going to cut circles. Like that, and you can see the distribution of the carrots. This looks beautiful. And then let's wait for tomorrow so that you can do the taste test. In the meantime, I'm going to put this in my fridge so that it can be chilling.